Hello everyone and welcome to this do-it-yourself Jeep edition. So in this video guys, we will going to learn how to replace your AC pollen filter by your own. So this is a Jeep Wrangler. We are here in the glove box on the passenger side. So what you need to do is to open the glove box and you will find a lock here. Just pull these things up like that. You will hear a tick noise and then remove it, and then here on the upper side just pull it like this and pull these things down, and then there you go. You can just let it like this, or if you want you can remove it. So this is the cover for the AC pollen filter. Now just squeeze this one, squeeze it like this and pull. It's easy. Now this is your AC pollen filter. To remove it easily, just put your fingers here and push and pull. Easy as that. So this is the old one. You don't need it anymore. This is the new AC pollen filter. So remember that there is a markings on it, so the arrow should point down. So to fix this one is a little bit tricky, because as you can see, but what you do is to put this one first on the left side, and then on the right side, and then push it slowly. Slowly. And now you have to put this cover back. This one you have to do it first on the right side. You have to push it like this, push, and then push it here. It's like that. It's done. Now your glove box, just bring it like this, push it, and so before you close the glove box, make sure that this rod is fixed. So what you do is just put it inside and then pull it down, and you will hear a click noise, and that's it. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. God bless.